Hi, it's Nana Mick. Another good night story, but we can listen to it any time of day. This one is If Animals Kissed Goodnight by Anne Whitford Paul. Sloth and her cub in late afternoon's light would hang from a tree and start kissing so slow. The sky would turn pink and the sun sink down low. Peacock and chick would spin a fan dance and kiss with a kickety, high-stepping prance. Mama python and hatchling would kiss waggling around, twirling and twisting like rope loosely wound. Walrus calf and her papa would make whiskery swishes, rubbing each other in scratchy kisses. Mama elephant's trunk would kiss and then sway and shower her calf with a wet washing spray. If animals kissed like we kiss goodnight, the sky would turn dull, the moon a chalk white, and Sloth and her cub still kissing goodnight. Parrot and chick would click-clack their beaks, kissing click-a-clack, 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 cleek. Wolf and his pup would kiss and then howl. Bear and her cubs would kiss and then growl. Mama monkey and infant would swing through the trees, smacking their lips in a kissing trapeze. Seal and his calf would blow big bubbled kisses that rise to the surface in splashety splishes. If animals kissed like we kiss goodnight, the sky would turn dark and the moon glowing white. And Sloth and her cub still kissing goodnight. Mama penguin and chick would stumble and slide on slippery rocks in a hug and kiss ride. Papa rhino and calf would kiss tip-a-tap-tap, smooching their horns in a tip-a-tap rap. Giraffe and his calf would stretch their necks high and kiss just beneath the top of the sky. Kangaroo and her joey would jumpity jump, kiss, 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 bounce bumpity bump. Hippo calf would kiss Papa, then they'd settle down deep in the slithery ooze in a mud-happy heap. If animals kissed like we kiss goodnight, the sky would turn black and the moon would shine bright. All would grow quiet with all tucked in tight. But Sloth and her cub still kissing goodnight. The end.